turning ET history inside out. And the idea here is that we want to use the physics of radiation, radiation poisoning, and solutions to radioactivity as an instructional principle to see that if we understood that, we understand almost all of the key points in the extraterrestrial history of Earth and the key points limiting the evolution of the human consciousness into both how to take memory through death and into stargates and portals and all the fun stuff. So our evolution kind of depends on understanding this physics, in my view. And this physics I'm referring to specifically is the kind of centripetal or implosive, we say implosive capacitance or implosive charge, think Ark of the Covenant. That centripetal implosive charge measurably reduces radioactivity. And we're going to talk about examples of that, et cetera. And so when you create a centripetal implosive or fractal electric field, it is the opposite of fission, the opposite of radioactivity. It is fusion and not fission. And if we understood why anything is centripetal, we get the key to the release from the nightmare of ET parasitic history of Earth. And telling those stories and reviewing those themes, illustrating the fractal physics principle of how we are released from the messy karma of ET history by understanding the core physics. Again, the core physics being the reason no physicist on this planet apparently knows why an object falls to the ground. NASA, Stephen Hawking, Einstein. No, they do not know. The reason they do not know is because they do not know why anything is centripetal electrically. Life force is centripetal electrically. Gravity is centripetal electrically. Electronegativity, an electron is centripetal electrically. Focused human attention is centripetal electrically. But yet, if physics cannot understand the pure principle, the pure fractal principle of what makes an electric field implosive or centripetal, then we're locked in to the nightmare of a parasitic ET history. So we wanted to tell some of those stories to bring that lesson home. That's the storal to the mori of tonight's conversation. So the first thing I want to do, now let's see if can you enable screen sharing, Dave? Apparently,
oh, not a problem. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me see here.
I clicked on screen. So I wanted to first share that outline. Let's see if it works now.
Should be now.
Okay. Yes. Here we go. Yes. There we go. Whiteboard. Okay. So I'm going to go to Neo. This document is called